Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I thought I would just do a quick adult coloring haul. It's a small haul, but always worth the fun, right? So first things first, I have bought yet another 3-pack of my favorite gel pens. And why do I show you guys when I repurchase things? Well, I want to show you that one, all this stuff I buy I'm actually using to the point I have to replace them. But two, it just kind of, I don't know. Well, I guess that's the point, right? If I show you guys something I'm not just showing you, I'm actually like using them. I probably go through a set of 3, well, I would say I go through 1 pack a month. So it looks almost like one of these leaked in here though. I'll have to take a look. But yeah, they don't have the 3-pack available anymore, so I'll link to the 2-pack. But the 3-pack was like a killer deal. It was like $9 for all of these. Alright. Then I got some adult coloring books. I'm really obsessed with these little cute kawaii, haiji, whatever you call it. Is that how you say it? Haiji? I don't know. I screw it up. So I got the Froggy Days one. I don't know why, but it just looked too cute. It is Create Space paper. There's like, but I need to color in it because it's adorable. Then I got this Haiji Delights one because it had treats and, well, they just look so happy. So I was like, alright, fine. This one's also Create Space paper. But a lot of these look really fun to do with like markers. I need to quit buying these and start coloring in them. Alright, then I got a Fantasyland one. This is Southern Lotus. This one looked pretty cute. Again, Create Space paper. I think it's only Coco Wyo that has upgraded to nice paper in only certain books, but still. This is Cozy Times. A lot of test pages there. I don't know if I'm feeling this one now that I'm looking through it. I will do flip through reels on my Instagram and YouTube shorts. I try to avoid flip throughs now on my channel unless it's like a book that's been sent to me. Cottage Vibes. I got this one because I had seen it all over Instagram and it just had like really cute pages. I don't know. They're all very simple and that's what makes them fun. However, if you see some of the things people do with these pages, they're not simple at all. But I did do a color along on my Quiet Coloring channel in one of these styles of books, not those ones in particular, if you want to take a look at it. I did get, these were sent to me by Rita Berman. These are the new English editions of her books. So I got the Hidden Oceans and Hidden Earth. They come out on June 10th. And then my friends at Ohuhu sent me some stuff to play with. So this is the Honolulu Plus markers. Now, these are their markers that are meant to be even closer to the Copics. That's why they even went about it and said Supreme Brush. So we're going to play around with it. They sent me a set of 36. I mean, looking at it, you know, it looks like the same old same, but it's brush and chisel. And it does say Honolulu Plus. So yeah, I've got this 36 count set here. Interesting array of colors. I will have to swatch them out and kind of see. I don't think this guide goes into it specifically. Yeah, this goes over all the series. See, because this is so their biggest series is the Honolulu series. That's where you can get over 400 colors, but they're kind of split between multiple sets. Now the Honolulu Plus series is here. Now here's what's interesting. It says 462 colors available, but you can't actually get 462 colors yet. I think that's what they're aiming for. I'm going to reach out to my contact because literally right now you can only get them in the 24 and 36 count set. Even shows you 24, 36. They sent me the 36 because that was the biggest. So I'm going to ask her if they're going to take the Honolulu series, not the Plus, the regular Honolulu, and, you know, fill this out. I would say that's most likely what they're going for. because there are 462 colors in the other Honolulu set. So I'll have to ask when they plan to do that. But yeah, this is like, these will still be refillable, so the ink and the colors are the same, and supposedly the color coding, it's just an improved brush. That's all it is. And then they also sent me a coloring book. Now this is a new thing for Honolulu, but it's a coloring book specifically for markers. So I'll be doing a review and stuff on it later. I swear the jets weren't flying until I recorded. But it's made specifically for markers. So, oh wow. That is most definitely marker paper. So we've got the front here, and it's showing you like all the images and perforated edges. And then, okay, so they're double-sided, so this will be actually really good to test because these are double-sided, and it's supposed to be marker paper. And it feels like marker paper. It's very smooth, which means the ink's gonna stay on the surface and not soak in, so you can blend it easier. So I'm gonna be very curious if it is going to bleed onto the other end. So yeah, I'll be testing those out here soon, so keep an eye out for that. But they sent that to me. It's like their new thing that they just launched, and they're pretty excited about it. And I guess, hey, if it really does not bleed, this would be awesome. Like if you're really into markers, or you only color with markers, and getting just a marker friendly book. Like there's one artist on Etsy I buy, and she does marker books too, and they're on marker paper, but she has them single-sided. But it'd be interesting to see how this does, and I'm curious if like you can see the colors through, because I'm holding it up. If you hold it up to the light, can you see that faint line there? It's see-through, so I can see the picture on the other end. So are the colors going to be more noticeable on the other end? That's going to be the real test. So I'll be doing a different video for this and a separate video for this. But let me know if you want me to do it during a live stream or something. Sometimes I like testing during lives. Okay. Last but not least by any means is the Unfriendly for Nails pack. That took more effort than necessary. Of something else that I had to replace. So I got 12 Prismacolor blenders. These are just the colorless blenders. I'm using them mostly on my Impatient Coloring channel, but it's cheaper to buy them in a 12 pack. And I am behind on that channel, and I'm going to do like a whip and chat here soon and catch you guys up on where I've been, because I just kind of went MIA. But I did snag these. It was like $9, maybe, no, less than that. I don't know, it's super cheap to grab just this 12 pack. Oh, silly me, how dare I forget. I did restock on more Prismacolors, yes, again, but that was because I had to place a huge Blick order for watercolors for my watercolor channel, because I'm coming up on doing quinacridone gold and then quinacridone magenta. So I was like, well, I'm already ordering from Blick, so I ordered all the colors that I typically run through. I even got like amethyst and orchid, the new ones. So yeah, I did restock like crazy again, but I mean, if you're gonna order from Blick, you might as well put it together, right? Let me know if you'd like to see these played around with live. If not, I'll be filming it. But yeah, that is my haul. Nothing huge. I really have no reason to do anything huge anymore. Like, I've got so much already, and I need to start coloring in these books. But thanks for hanging out with me for a nice quick little haul video, and until next time, take care. Bye now.